What it do to the Milan family? Before I get into this video, I want to just give y'all an apology right now. So the audio quality may not be its best, but you know, I'm back in that mood to drop another video for y'all guys. I know it's not fair to y'all because y'all probably be looking forward to my videos. So going forward, we have all the equipment that we needed. So there's no excuse going forward on why I'm not dropping consistent videos at a consistent flow. At least, let's just say at least once a week. So let's start off with my workstation. So printing out my stencil, as you can see. One of the subscribers in the comments, YouTube Shorts, they requested that I do a tattoo of the Joker. So this is my version of doing a tattoo of the Joker. And if y'all haven't seen the video, I did tell you guys what equipment I'm using and where did I get the equipment from. So yeah, printing it off using this faux memo printer right here. Yeah. So to get into the video, my workstation, we got the dental bibs now. We have the most essential part, the fake skin. And we still gonna do trial and error with these Poseidon needles right here. It's like a variety pack, so of course, now we finally got our green soap and our actual pipettes for the green soap to apply. We have the Electrum. I know y'all, if y'all haven't seen another video. But today, I'm not gonna use this. I've only used this on the skin because it's more tacky. But I noticed when I do it on the fake skin, it bleeds a little bit from my stencil. So I'm gonna use this. It's like a thin layer, I'm gonna put it on my fake skin. And for the ink caps, we got a lot of ink caps now, with no shortage. We also have the ink cap holders. So that's how my workstation looking. I'm gonna swap the camera around so you can get an overhead shot and see how it's looking. So, about to start off transferring the stencil. I have the DO on it. I don't have the speed stick, but this has worked for me before on my real skin, so we'll see. It's naturally derived deodorant. It's scented though. Only bad thing, I wouldn't use this for like an actual tattoo session. It's just for the face skin. For all the tattoo gurus in my comments, because I get a lot of those. Don't get me wrong. I appreciate y'all criticism, but a lot of y'all are hilarious. I pay attention, man. So yeah, like I said, I read comments, and one of my subscribers told me to do a Joker tattoo. So today we're doing a Joker tattoo. Right now I'm prepping on my station. This is for one on white, the Access ink off. I wanna wipe some of this deodorant off too. So not too much. I want it to be an even layer, for the stencil. So I'm gonna look in the light to see if it got some little glaze to it. Yeah, there's still some glaze to it, so might gotta add some more on this side, but it may be good. But right now, we got the perfectly good stencil. That's how it looks so far. We about to transfer it on this fake skin. Just hopefully it doesn't bleed. All right. I see a tad bit of bleeding, but I'm not gonna leave the stencil on too long, so we're gonna, boom, it's there. Now I've been told if I was to mess up, I could use the same stencil again. But right now, this is the stencil transfer onto the skin. As of now, I'm gonna have my ink. Big cap right here. And I might not need the other caps, but I'm just gonna cap this one too. It's a pretty small tattoo. I might not even need that much, you know. What's up, y'all? 3 hours later, the stencil is dry. And I'm working with the 5-round liner. I haven't done any tattoos in a minute, so I want to see how thick the liner will be. Voltage is gonna be on. I'm gonna put it on 8 volts. Just do my 1 pass line. See how 1 line works. Okay, so it look cool. Yeah, I seen some flaws earlier on my lines, so I went over it. Something the camera didn't catch, but I caught it as quick as I can. So let me get back to it. Okay, wash my needle a little bit. I'm on a time limit because I work in the morning, but you know, just take your time to come on right. It's all I keep telling myself. Just take my time so it come on right, because it's time to take it a little, turn it up a notch for my channel. Okay. Just packing that ink in one spot. And all you just doing is moving it around. This is what I've been learning. I'm not a professional by any means. And trial and error, I see using that Vaseline, nice little small coat, does help the needle glide against the skin, whether it's real or fake. Right now I'm using the fake skin, of course, so I'm just chatting, Just being extra informative of what I'm doing. So for all my tattoo gurus, I've been learning, I've been paying attention as I took my little small hiatus, getting my proper verbiage. Although it may seem like I'm not stretching my skin, because this fake skin is really, really thick. It's very, very hard to stretch. But I will get into the routine of stretching the skin as if, you know, I'm working on the client. So don't get that messed up. Also, I'm shading at 7 volts. 7 volts. Also, if you hear me talking a little different than the normal me, it's because I'm trying to pronunciate a lot of my words. I'm looking at my analytics and trying to cut that number down of people using closed captions when they're watching my video. You know, kind of talk with a lot of slang, so it could be hard for somebody to decipher what I'm talking about. Especially since today's video, the audio isn't the best, isn't the greatest, so I'm just gonna do a little follow with a whip shade. Like that little gradient look, you know. Never seen nobody do a whip shade with a round shader. I could be wrong, but let's see how it turns out. Pretty decent, pretty decent. This tattoo's been taking me at least 45 minutes so far. Not including the pauses and the breaks. And I'm noticing this is a client. The client may be a tad bit agitated because I'm passing over the same spots. I don't know if that's normal for like tattoo artists or just beginners. I guess just take your time so that your passes will be precise on the first go. You know, some of these look light when I'm doing like the dark shade, so just going over it. Still some spots I gotta do. If you're watching this video, you got it made it this far. Let me know what city or state you're from. And also what video, if this isn't the first, what video was the first video y'all saw of mine that made y'all subscribe? I really would like to know. Let's see, we coming up on that 300 subscribers count, and I'm really proud of myself and thankful for y'all for still being attached to me. You know, some people get bored after a while, you know. Yeah. It's the next day, and I want to say, if this video was really informative for y'all and y'all learned something new, or y'all just want to enjoy it, y'all caught a vibe or whatnot, you know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all like that comment, like this video. Make sure y'all comment. Please hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so y'all notified when I drop another video, and y'all will not be missing out, because I will be pushing out these videos at a weekly basis. So stay tuned, and I got y'all. Dieta Milan. See y'all soon. Stay player.